Hello there, I'm Fred Kreger with American Pacific Mortgage. I am welcome today with Nigel Farnsworth, who's one of our top producers located up in northern Utah. And again, he's one of our top producers over our entire footprint, not just in Utah. So welcome, Nigel.
Thanks, good to be here, Fred.
Great. Now, I just want to ask you a couple of questions, if you don't mind, during this interview. But why did you choose the APM, and what do you basically look at every day to keep you here at APM?
That's a great question. I'll give you a little backdrop on that question. A little over 5 years ago, Kurt Reisig recruited me on a mountain bike in Park City, Utah. He came out and he went riding with me, and that's one of my passions and what I love to do. But as we rode, I really found out the passion of what he has for our loan officers and us. And that's what drove me. I'm a leader, but I'm also a follower. And that's some person that I could follow each and every day I wake up. So that energy, that leadership means the world to me. As we look around at other companies, and even today, that leadership is the footprint of one of the very reasons why I joined APM, because of that. And it's leadership in its entirety. They are looking out for the best interest of the loan officers. We're always evolving to make sure that we're doing the best thing for our company and our clients and our loan officers at all times. And that's what keeps me here.
That's awesome, Nigel. Actually, I echo that with Kurt. I joined this organization 13 years because of Kurt, and I continue to be with the organization because of Kurt. And I always say that he's a man I would charge a hill with a water pistol for.
Absolutely. Makes you want to run through a brick wall, for sure.
Yep, exactly. So, one of the things too is that, again, Nigel, you've always been a top producer. Ever since I've known you, you've always been at the top of the charts. You've been in President's Club, and you just, you shine every single month. Can you share with us just a little bit about your success and how you got there, and what continues to have you still be, I would consider, obviously, a top producer, if not, not a top 10, but that really is a top producer in terms of your eyes.
Well, it's a privilege and an honor to be amongst the list of people that I see every single month. But there's really no real science to it. It boils down to a couple things. First, hard work. At the end of the day, it's a people business. We have to deal with people. We have to go to work every single day and make sure that we put our best effort out. And that's really it. Hard work is really the key to my success. And you know what? Having the right people around me as well. I talked about leadership, but I have a small team of people. My branch manager, which I owe everything to. She's amazing. But not only that, the team of processors, my ops managers, my underwriters, they all, it seems weird because there's a concept out there in the past that, underwriters want to make, they want to decline the deal. That's not the case. From top to bottom in this company and in my very office, we all want to succeed. Underwriters, ops manager, branch managers, and that boils down to your team level as well. That means a difference. So that, combined with hard work each and every day, is a good recipe for success at any company.
That's awesome. Again, there's a great concept of what's called scaling up, right? When you start off small, it's just kind of you and maybe, one person that you could rely on. And, maybe it's a child that basically licks stamps, and, I guess now it's post stamps, not lick stamps anymore, right? And it sends them out. Now, in order to scale up to go from 2 loans to 10 loans, then from 10 loans to 25 loans, you have to scale up and have actually a correct team, a right team. And I love hearing that, because I think if you talk to any top producer, not just our company, but with any other company, right, you have to surround yourself with people that you love, like, and trust in order to kind of get you to that path, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's actually kind of cool to see, but as the reviews start coming in, because we love our reviews, right, throughout the company. Bill loves to read those. But
right.
If you really look at the reviews, especially mine, they don't mention just Nigel. They mention Nigel's team, and that means a lot to them, and it means a lot to me that they've got my back and the company. It means a lot.
That's awesome to hear. Hey, Nigel, thanks so much for sharing, obviously, your thoughts, with us today. And I really appreciate your work. I really appreciate your work ethic, and wish you all the best of success.
You're most welcome. Thank you for having me.
Thanks, Nigel.